Hi, I just wanted to pop on here and give you a little taste of one of the sections we'll be talking about in the autonomy workshop. We are going to go through and workshop this framework I've created around consent and closeness. So there's so much here. I don't need you to look at all of it right now, but we're basically going to look at this section where we have low consent and high control versus high consent and low control. And then the level of like closeness or warmness. So there can be high warmth or closeness or high distance and respect for boundaries. And then framing anything, any of the stories that we're dealing with, any of the pain we're dealing with, even empowerment and growth, where do they fall on this matrix? Can give you an idea of what you're moving from and moving to, where you're at. This is not a linear process. This is just a way to map and understand where you are. In general, though, this side of the matrix or the equation is going to feel more freeing, more empowering, give you more expansion and self-trust and autonomy. And I've called them radical acceptance and radical autonomy, but basically it's that you know what's best for you and you have self-trust and the ability to make uncoerced decisions and trust in yourself, and those in your community and that you're interacting with also trust you and value you to know what's best for you. And the systems that we often came from have so much pressure around them and so much latent control that's really subtle, that comes out in the sense of that they know what's best for you, right? And that can show up in a warmer way through paternalism, like let me fix it for you or let me fix you, or in a more high control, distant kind of way that just says my way or the highway. And then we can see the approaches to pain in that and how that is impacted by each of these different approaches. So I hope to see you there tomorrow night, Wednesday night, November 8th, to workshop this some more and put your stories and your experiences onto this map, how they impacted you and where you would like to go and what you'd like to move towards. I hope to see you there. Bye.